Today we're going to change the adjusting lever on a Stihl TS410 cut-off saw. This is an important task as the water runs through here and they can split if not looked after. The blade will have to be removed to complete this task. First of all, use a Torx Spanner to loosen the screw on top of the adjusting lever, which secures it to the blade guard. Then use the 13mm Hex Socket spanner to loosen the two Banjo bolts on either side of the lever. Once this is done, use a Flathead Screwdriver to remove the jet on the right side of the machine. Be careful not to lose the square nut which sits on the other side. Check the Banjo bolt for wear and that it is usable. These are important as they carry water to the blade as part of the water suppression system. On the left hand side of the machine, use the 13mm Hex Socket spanner to remove the bolt, freeing the water connector. You can now check the water connector and hose for any splits or damage to it. Check the seals of the two bolts to make sure they haven't become worn or lost their integrity. Again, for the left hand side bolt, you can remove the screw which sits inside the bolt to check if it's clear of dirt or obstructions. Then remove the adjusting lever by simply lifting it off the machine. You can see if it's become damaged, checking if splits or cracks have occurred on the moulding. Locate your new adjusting lever on top of the machine and make sure it's secure. Then place the bolt on the right side of the machine, making sure you can locate the square nut inside the casing. Slide the square nut into the casing and screw the bolt back on securely. Then return to tighten the bolt with the 13mm Hex Socket spanner. Then relocate the screw which sits inside the bolt. Once that's complete, hand tighten the water connector on the left side of the machine. Then return to tighten the connector with the 13mm Hex Socket spanner. Using the Torx spanner, you can then fix your new adjusting lever by screwing the bolt back on. That's how you change the adjusting lever on a Stihl TS410. All the parts and tools needed for the task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.